The Mazda FC RX-7 is my obtainable dream car, and about a year ago now, I bought one. Now, I had many plans to make videos on this car. I was gonna do a full restoration, and you guys seemed excited to see about it too. But unfortunately, I ended up needing to sell the car despite how much I absolutely loved it. It had been abandoned for 22 years, so restoring it would have been an absolute dream build for me, but things just didn't work out that way. While I only made about 2 videos on that car, I still have a lot of unused footage from the 3 to 5 videos that I actually recorded, and they just never saw the light of day for one reason or another. So I'm gonna make this video. I'm gonna use as much unseen footage as I can of that old blue RX-7. It'll not only be for myself, because honestly I really miss that car, but it'll also be for you guys. You're waiting on more RX-7 videos with my current working FC, and some of you subscribed for the blue one and just never got those videos. So let's start with the unseen footage from the first video. The video where I drove 5 hours to go buy the blue FC. Alright, I only need like 3 more things before I get the RX-7. We just got the tow hitch installed on my mom's van about not even 30 minutes ago. So now I need an engine hoist, an engine stand, and a tire for transporting the engine and transmission because they are not in the car. So the engine hoist I'm about to buy from someone off Marketplace because it's pretty much brand new and it's way cheaper. We are getting the car tomorrow. I'm either gonna have to get it today or like from Marketplace, or I'm gonna have to run to Harbor Freight. All right, let's go. I can't look at how good I'm filming because I'm driving, so I'm just gonna hold the phone behind me and hope it works. But look how close that fits! Oh, it's so ridiculous. It is less than an inch away from touching the... No, it's less than a millimeter away from touching the plastic trim at the top. It probably is gonna be bumping it while driving, but I mean, it fits perfectly. That is insane. It's hilarious. We got the trailer. We're not using the Sienna anymore. We're now going to be using my friend's F350. Because there was just one problem we had with the Sienna, and also this is better for towing. So, perfect. Yeah, you're just giving a little bit of revs? Oh, do you see the FC? Yeah. Oh, I see an ST over there. We're stopped because we're just having a little bit of technical difficulties, but in a few minutes we should be running again, and we should be able to bring the FC home. Hopefully I'll be able to... It's back there. Hopefully I'll be able to get it running. Can't even see it on camera anymore. Alright. Yeah. It's my first time sitting in the FC.
It was like 30 bucks at Harbor Freight. Pardon me? It was like 30 bucks at Harbor Freight.
Oh, this is... That's a basket case. Alright, recording just as proof if needed. The trailer is here. If I go to the back... where is it? It's got the same license plate. So yeah, the trailer's here. Alright, it is 1 a.m. I have to get up for school in about 7 hours. But I mean, here it is. A rotary engine, transmission. These two together cost $200. So $100 engine, $100 transmission. That is insane. So yeah, there's GR Prius right there. Hopefully I can get this running. I really hope I can. I'm gonna just make the rest of the video tomorrow or Tuesday. This car is definitely a basket case. I'm currently trying to clean it up the best I can. At least the best I can right now. I've just cleaning a lot of dust off the paint right now. This right here was completely coated in dust. I wiped it down a bit last night, but as you can see, there's still a long way to go before this car is nice to be in. Oh, that is the worst smelling thing I've ever smelled on a car. Oh yeah, I'll definitely need a new fuel tank. Alright, let's just never open that up again. Look at this! Look what I found! Look at that! Yay! It can actually go in place now. Let's go! I don't know what that is. That's probably fine. Oh. I heard something. Yo, it worked. Ooh, it's staying open by itself. Yay. I don't know if that's because of rust though. Alright, so it looks like we have a spoiler in here. I'm probably not gonna go with this one. So I'm probably gonna sell this. I do prefer the Turbo 2 spoiler, but that explains the holes that are under this. My friend said they looked like bullet holes. We'll just carefully take this out. I mean, it needs to be repainted, but we'll just, there we go. We'll just set that there. Well, there's, ugh, gross. Is that the cowl for, is that the wiper cowl? It's under the wiper motor, which was also cut. Okay. Oh, wait, is this the wiring harness? Or at least part of it? This thing's definitely a project. Okay, there's a whole bunch of parts here. Oh, throttle body. Why does one of those look good, but the others, whatever. Oh, well, here's the air freshener Tim put in it when I got it. I mean, first thing, I think I'll need to bring a vacuum here and clean this out. Oh, there's the cap. That shouldn't look like that. Dude, look at it. I got a Mopar engine in my FC. This windshield might have the rare bronze tint from Mazda. It's actually kind of sick. Even outside of it, this car has a very distinct smell. I guess that's just what happens when this car is super old and doesn't get taken care of. Because it was never locked or anything. Now it is. Ah! No! Ah, I stepped on the wet ground in my sock! No animals have crawled in through the shifter hole, so that's good. The bill of sale has been signed. We're almost done with getting rid of this old thing, which really sucks that I have to, but hopefully I'll be able to get something even better. The truck over there is going to be towing it away. We just have to get it onto the trailer. Way easier time than when I bought it, because when I bought it we had to get it off of a gravel driveway. It's all loaded up now. So now they're gonna strap down the wheels and everything. My hair is in my face, it is annoying. And they are going to take the rest of the parts. The transmission is still over where the car was sitting before. And then all these parts you guys can just start grabbing out if you want to. I'll go grab the transmission. Gotcha.
Well, it's good doing business with you. I'll keep you updated on what happens.
Yeah.
I will be watching along. I will also be sure to include your channel in the description and in the end card at the end of the video. So, could you tell people your channel name?
You could look us up at Devil Driven or Official Devil Driven on Instagram. We have a TikTok page, a YouTube channel, and an Instagram, obviously. So go ahead, check us out, and you can follow along with this RX-7 build that we're doing.
You guys will get to follow along with the RX-7 build that you subscribed to me for. So if you want to unsubscribe and go subscribe to them, feel free. But there will be RX-7 content eventually.
Definitely.
On both channels. Yes.
Despite everything that is in this video that actually isn't even close to all the footage that I have, I still have hours of footage of this car, and I am not going to be making a video that uses all of it. Though something that I did realize while making this video is I have not watched a lot of this footage since it was recorded, the most recent piece of footage being about 6 months ago, maybe, and it's honestly kind of bittersweet because I really do miss this car. Now, there's not been any updates on the car publicly from myself or Devil Driven. I do know what is going on with it, and I'm gonna be honest, in terms of the restoration, it's not looking very good at the current moment. But while I don't own this car anymore, I don't think this is gonna be the last that we see of it on this channel. Thank you for watching.